Here's how you can cook bratwurst on a stovetop. Poke holes in each bratwurst. Heat a bit of oil over medium heat. Add the bratwurst and begin to sear it. When the bottom is nicely browned, flip over. Add a bit of water and immediately cover with a lid. Allow the bratwurst to steam a couple of minutes. Until the internal temperature measures just above 160 degrees Fahrenheit. You can stop here, or sauté some onions with thyme, and perhaps some peppers. Season with salt and pepper, and allow to cook until soft. Turn them over occasionally. If they seem to dry out, add water. When satisfied, return the bratwurst back to the pan to warm them through. Enjoy on your favorite bun.